Hello guys, this is Matthew Potato here.
And today we're here with some special guests, our cousins, McKenna and Mara.
So today we have these pet LLs, and if you want to open them, you have to pull here.
Yeah, and we have never got these before or opened them. So we're going to listen to the pros, McKenna and Mara. So let's get to it and let's open these. It looks like there's 7 layers in it. So,
Yeah,
pull
there's
the
7
tab.
layers. This is Series 3, and these are LOL Surprise Pets.
Let's do it.
Let's open it.
Okay,
Here's the
are you excited to open it with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're split up into teams. We have one team, which is
it's a
Chase
secret
and
message.
Mara, and another team, which is me and McKenna.
Message. It's play. It's cool. Play. It's cool.
Yeah,
So now it's time to do the second layer.
that's good. I'm still trying to open mine.
And there's a secret message.
Okay, we got the secret message.
Let's pull the next layer.
What does it say?
Whoa.
Heart plus chicken bone.
Whoa.
What?
This is
so
so
cool.
cool.
Guys, it's heart plus chicken
Now,
bone. Wait,
now
broken
there's some
heart?
stickers.
Whoa, that's weird.
Stickers.
Okay, let's get to it.
So these
Wow,
are
there's
hunting,
lots of layers in this.
people are crying.
Did you know how many layers there are in this?
So we got a couple stickers
these
here.
And then there's 5. Ella can do something. So there's 10.
Let's take the next layer down now.
Okay, guys.
Got it?
Ours is
Pretty
the golden ball.
Hard to open all these layers at one
Cool.
time. Okay, so what's next on
Given
this
there's
layer?
different
Nothing?
kinds of balls.
Or do we just have
I
to
got
open
it.
Yeah, sure.
You got
Here, just pull it
So
down.
it's
Let's open the thing.
Let's open the big one. Here, you guys can go first.
Okay.
Whoa!
And here's like the.
Whoa!
Where'd that go?
Here, let's
It-
open
it
ours.
really
got
like
it.
this wherever- And this is like a
Wow!
little pet thing that you.
This looks so cool, guys. We've never opened these before, and it looks really cool.
Can-
You want me to
can I
help you
open
open?
Can I open
Okay,
this?
you can open
Yeah,
that.
I can open this, but can you?
I
I
think
think that.
Sure.
I think this is the.
Okay, guys. So we got to ours, and there's this little. What is it?
It's a little pet like poop side, and you can find some shoes in it.
That's really cool. Okay, let's open it.
You
Whoa,
wanna
this
open
is
it full?
really tough, guys.
Yeah.
But
I got
it's
it.
super
Oh,
fun to
I
open.
got it.
I got it.
Because I did these before.
Okay, nice job, guys. We're getting it. We're going there. Oh,
there
this is
we
really
go.
hard. Guess what?
These are-
Shoes we'll get.
These are like this is like a little.
Oh,
Okay,
I'm getting open
Whoa!
it. I have to return to
It's kind of like sand.
it is sand.
Whoa, that's so cool. Here, let's show.
See, ta-da!
Look, it's like
Oh.
sand. Whoa, there's little shoes in there.
So it's this.
Oh, they're so cute. They're little high top sneakers. There should be another one in there. Whoa, it's a purple one.
Oh, look
Look.
at this.
These are really cute.
Save me.
Oh, here's another one.
It's a water bottle.
Aw, that's so cute. We got our little shoes.
Whoa, that's
So
like
we got
nice.
these purple shoes and some black
This is
shoes.
actually LO sand.
Okay, here, can you put the sand back in there?
Yes.
Whoa.
So nothing
Okay.
else.
So
Let's forget one
next, we are going to open
Open
this little bag. You guys can open any bag you want. We don't really know which bags
Oh.
are which.
So let's do
So
this
you can
one.
open that bag first. Would you like me to help you?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is really hard. Guys, this has so many layers.
Look what we got.
Aw,
It's
it's
so
like a little box.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think I know what it is.
Yeah, let's go see what it is.
Okay, this is the LO
Here.
collected
You
fire.
guys show that well, we're trying to open this.
So you gotta be very careful to not break it.
I'll open this.
Oh, this one is so we
Okay, we got this one open, guys. Finally. And
Where is
oh
it?
my god, it's a
It
little
is-
soccer bag with a soccer
We got
ball
fuzzy.
in it. Let's see
We
if we can
got
get that
trouble
soccer ball out.
squeakers. We got trouble squeaker. I don't know what to do.
And we got this little soccer ball, and it looks like a keychain.
Oh my
Here,
god,
let
it's
Chase
with
open
big
that.
glasses.
Can you please open this?
Oh,
This
that's
is
so
so
funny.
cute. And it's this teal bag, which I love teal. And do you love teal? Yes. And
Oh, look at this.
so we also got this little fun ball, which is so cute. Oh, thank you. Wow!
Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is.
Oh my God,
That's
this is
the
so
label wall.
cute. Here, I'll see
let's
which one
see
it
what
is.
it is. Little
These are all of them you can get.
Should
I think
this is the one we got.
So
It
this one
is. Let's see. It is
it's this one.
pasta.
Pasta. I can color change
It's right
our
here.
crap.
It can color change. That's so cool.
Looky. Oh, is this one?
Oh my God,
This
guys!
one is actually the
also
mystery one.
Has a little water bottle. It looks
You
like
got
we
the
can kind of
mystery?
fill up with water.
Yeah,
Cool.
see? That's mystery. Yeah, that's so cool.
Can we open everything?
You know how they go literally
Nope,
you
there's
just
one.
pick this up like that, and then you just
Aw, that's
There's
really
two
cute.
things you didn't
So
open.
look, guys, we
Hey,
have got
I'll
this
open the big
little
one.
Oh,
puppy scooper, and we can scoop up the sand with it. So it's really cool. Okay, guys, show what you got.
We're opening.
You're trying to open them. So this is really, really cute, guys. Look, it's like kind of squishy.
Oh my god!
That was unexpected.
Okay, guys, show
We
what you
got
got.
two
Show
barrels.
them to the camera.
Looky. So this one is fizzy and this one is nothing.
Rolls.
So
That one's
let's see
rolls.
what this one is.
That one's rolls.
Rolls.
That is so cute, you guys.
Oh, we still have one more package to open.
I know, we had one too. Okay, so let's open
I
it.
wonder what it is.
Aw, this is so cute. It's a little puppy cotton candy. Look,
I think I can open it.
Yeah, that's so
You
cute,
wanna try to
guys.
open
It
it?
matches with its hair. What did you guys get?
We're still trying to open ours.
We-
so
we
hard.
still-
Yeah, it is.
Got two.
That is so cute.
Two.
Did you open it?
No.
I'll try it.
Okay, this is kind of tough to open all of these.
Can
Okay,
you help me open this? I
Sure.
can't get it still.
it's really hard. Wait, oh yeah, there is something in here. I thought it was just an empty bag for a second. Yeah. Oh my god, this is so hard. Here, you try it.
I can get it.
Here, you got me.
I got it.
Oh, you got it. What is it?
It's a
Aw,
little doggy scooper.
It's a little doggy scooper like we got. See, you can scoop the sand with this.
So if yours color change spits or tinkles or cries, you can put it on these.
Aw, that's really cute. So guys, this was a lot of fun getting all this stuff for our little puppy. We can put the shoes on.
And we got
stuff.
the little hand
So this is all really cute. We do recommend opening these, but remember to get scissors. We did not have scissors.
Whoa.
What's that?
There's still one more thing.
One more thing.
It's
Yes.
one thing.
Yes, we need water.
Well, we got water. You got this little perfume.
And we just need to fill up a cup with
Oh,
water.
there is one in here. There's something else in here.
There's another thing.
There is?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Oh, it's
another
another one. That's really cute.
because for that one.
That's really cute, guys. Okay, so this video is really fun opening up these little wall surprise animals. So we do recommend this, but it's really hard to open, so get parents to help you and stuff like that. So we'll see y'all next time.
Bye.
Bye.